The ocean is the last place on Earth we truly don't understand. We've mapped Mars better than our own planet's depths, and that's not because we can't explore it. It's because something made us stop. Something we weren't supposed to find. In 1977, a classified joint operation between oceanographers and aerospace engineers began in the Pacific. Officially, it was about studying deep-sea pressure zones. Unofficially, it was something far more disturbing. The mission logs described strange signals coming from the ocean floor, not random noise, not natural movement, patterns, structured, intentional. At first, scientists thought it was seismic activity. Then they realized something terrifying. The signals were repeating, like a language. That's when NASA got involved. Not the Navy, not civilian researchers. NASA. Why would a space agency care about something deep underwater? Because the signal wasn't just detected in the ocean, it was detected in space too. Same frequency, same pattern. As if something below Earth was communicating with something above it. The mission was escalated immediately. A deep-sea submersible was deployed to investigate the source. The crew on board reported everything was normal at first. Darkness, silence, pressure. Then they reached the coordinates. That's when everything changed. The sonar picked up a massive structure. Not rock, not coral, perfect geometry, smooth edges. Too precise to be natural, and far too large. It stretched beyond the range of their instruments, like a city, buried under the ocean floor. The crew moved closer, and that's when the signal got louder. Not through speakers, inside their heads. One of the crew members began panicking. He said he could hear something, speaking, but not in any language he knew. Another crew member started repeating the sounds over and over, like he was trying to respond. Then the cameras cut out. For exactly 3 minutes, when the feed came back, one crew member was gone. No damage, no breach, no explanation, just an empty seat. The remaining crew was ordered to surface immediately, but they didn't, because something had attached itself to the sub. The external cameras briefly flickered back on, and what they captured was never meant to be seen. A shape, too large, too close, moving, but not like any known creature. It wasn't swimming, it was watching. The crew reported pressure spikes, systems failing, compasses spinning. Then the signal changed. It wasn't repeating anymore. It was responding, as if it understood them, as if it knew they were there. The final transmission from the sub was just one sentence. It knows we're not from here, and then silence. The sub never returned. No wreckage, no bodies, nothing. The entire mission was erased. Files sealed, data classified, funding redirected. And just like that, deep-sea exploration programs were quietly reduced. But here's where it gets worse. Years later, fragments of the original recordings were leaked. Audio experts analyzed the signal, and what they found was chilling. Hidden within the frequency were patterns that matched human brainwaves, not random ones, specific emotional states. Fear, curiosity, submission. It wasn't just a signal, it was influencing them. It's communicating directly into the mind. And then came the final discovery. The same signal was still being detected, not just in the ocean, but in orbit. Satellites began picking it up again, stronger than before, as if whatever was down there had never stopped, and maybe never will. Because we like to believe the greatest threat is out there in space. But what if we've been looking in the wrong direction? What if the real mystery isn't above us, it's below us, waiting, watching, learning, and maybe taken. So the next time someone tells you we stopped exploring the ocean because it's too difficult, remember this: we didn't stop because we couldn't go deeper. We stopped because something down there noticed us, and it didn't want us to come back.